and go for a walk in the snowstorm. I kind of wanted to make like a 15-minute video, but I don't think I'm gonna. It's a little slick here. Yeah, so hopefully this comes out on video. You can see this. I'm gonna walk around. So yeah, hope everybody had a good New Year. I'm excited to use my new snowblower. I'm excited to see how well this GoPro works on my backpack with the mount, because this gives me hands-free. Gotta remember what I said yesterday, because yeah, I don't want to say, oh, I said that yesterday, I don't even release the video, because you couldn't even see anything. I know today you'll be able to see something. Hopefully every time I look it doesn't move the camera. It's kind of a test, but I was trying to get a decent video. My feet are frozen. Note to self: don't wear gym shoes in a snowstorm. So yeah, I hope this comes out. Hope everybody had a good New Year's Eve last night. And now that the new year is over and the holiday travel should settle down here in a day or two, probably more like 3, I really want to go to Russia, but I think there's going to be some issues with that, and just getting over there. I mean, if I can get there in the next week or 2, or month or 2, I mean, after my first trip, then I'll do that. Yeah. Snow's not too bad yet. A little cold, but that's too crazy. I don't know. Maybe I'll take the long way around. Well, here's the snowstorm. Do I go that way? Okay, we're going that way. We're going long. We're out here. Might as well make it worth it. So yeah, nothing new on my end. Other than wanting to travel, and I got this new mount. I got a lot of winter stuff because I was hoping to go to Russia, and it's winter time, obviously, and I don't even know if I'm going to make it there in the winter time. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, it's so wet snow. Fucking idiots. People wear masks in their house around here. I swear to God, that's crazy. I can see a grocery store. I can even see a restaurant, I guess, if you're not eating in there. But come on, man. So yeah, that's another reason for Russia. If you know, I can't get a QR code because Russia doesn't recognize the American vaccine. I can't really do much. I mean, I can, you know, get an Airbnb and, you know, go to open stuff, you know, like out in the open like I am now. You know, Red Square and cathedrals and etc. But, you know, museum, you can get a QR code as a foreigner. But it's really expensive. Like every single time, every 3 days pretty much. Now, there is a couple other YouTubers that have stated that you just get the one QR code, and when you go to places, 98% of the places don't even look at how old the QR code is. They just kind of look at it, and they don't scan it or anything. So there's that. You can get it once, like when you originally land, and then you just kind of wing it with that. But because I guess, as far as I gather, you got to get a QR code to get on the plane, and then you fly over, and when you land, just like in Thailand, I think in Thailand you have to do it within like that day, and then you can be released from quarantine or whatever. But I think in Russia you got like 24 hours. And oh, this is really cool. I hope you guys can see that. It's not at an angle. Yeah, that's really cool. You go at night, walk under this. Bunch of lights. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at that. Cool. Oh, reindeer? No way. And a sleigh. Look at that. It's awesome. Yeah, so you get the QR code, and then you can do whatever, right? Wow, so they're selling their house privately just with a random for sale sign. That's the thing. Anyways, off topic. So yeah, and then if you have the QR code, even if it's old, most people just kind of look at the paper and there you go, right? And you know, the girl, she was like, yeah, I got the PCR test, wasted money. I gotta spend money to get in this place. And then the guy looks at it for 3 seconds. So she's like, I didn't even really have to do all that, and I don't have COVID. So what am I doing? Like, why am I wasting all that money and whatever, right? And I really want to see museums and get into history and, you know, whatever. So yeah, and I gotta, yeah, snow's sticking really fast. And yeah, so I took the long way. I hope this is a long enough video, and then maybe later, I don't know if I'll add it to this one or if I'll make a whole nother video like snow cleanup, whatever, like snow blower and then shovel, or just shoveling, and I'll film it, put the backpack on, and yeah, I love this mount. It's super cool. I hope this works. And yeah, if I'm rambling too much, I might just mute the video and put some music on it, like Winter Wonderland music, and call it a day. I know Russia already got a ton of snow. I know like St. Petersburg doesn't have nowhere near as much snow as normal. Yeah, I know outside of Moscow, like Vladimir, if you go by the, not the metric system, it's American system, said he got like three feet of snow in like 5 days or something crazy. And the most we got so far here, Chicagoland, is, we had snow. I uploaded a video, not many of you watched it. I said we haven't had snow until late December. Literally, it's the same week. And we got, like, literally, an inch right now, maybe, half an inch. So, looks real cool. My feet are frozen. I hope to God that I brought my key, because I don't think I did. So we will see. But in a second here, I'm going to cut the video out and review it. Hope it comes out good. And yeah, so if you're still watching my rambling nonsense, Happy New Year again, and hope your 2022 is better than your 2021. As we know, the last 2 years haven't been very good, but I think you'll look up from here, hopefully. My feet are frozen. So, note to self, don't wear these shoes. Good for walking, not in the snow.